In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Venmo card to Cash App. This process is simple, and I'll guide you step by step so you can connect both accounts using your code. First, open a Venmo app on your phone and go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Then go to the payment methods section. This is where you can add a new bank account or card. For this process, you'll be linking your Cash App card to Venmo. If you don't already have your Cash App card details, open Cash App and tap the card icon at the bottom. Here you can view all your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll need all of this information to add the card to Venmo. Once you have the details, go back to Venmo and select Add a card under Payment Methods. Enter your Cash App card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After entering this information, confirm the addition, and your Cash App card will now be linked to Venmo. Now, you can transfer money between Venmo and Cash App. In Venmo, choose the transfer option, then select Transfer to Bank, and choose your Cash App card as the destination. This allows you to move money from Venmo directly to your Cash App balance using the linked card. Alternatively, if you want to connect the accounts the other way around, you can open Cash App, go to the Linked Banks and Cards section, and add your Venmo debit card there. This will link Venmo to Cash App, allowing transfers from Cash App to your Venmo account. Remember, linking the accounts requires using one of the debit cards. There's no other way to connect them directly. Once linked, transfers are easy and fast, making it simple to manage funds between your Venmo and Cash App accounts.